Okay, we're at the scan box in our flowchart. We are going to scan and later digitize a land use map of our field area, which is in Yarmouth, Massachusetts. Now, if you want, you can print this the JPEG file out. That's the Yarmouth Land Use Interpretation.jpg file, and scan it again. But I really think that that's actually not really necessary. But do it if you want. That's quite okay. It is important to note that because the base map that the land use interpretation was drawn on has originated in QuantumGIS, the scanned map has the potential to very easily go back into the same QuantumGIS project, so long as we take a bit of care with the way we scan it. Always place the map that you plan to use as a digitizing backdrop square on your scanner with north at the top. Now, if it's even slightly askew, the registration process is going to be far more difficult. Usually, I scan maps at around 300 dpi. A bit more or a bit less really usually does not matter. The aim is to turn the scan from scanner coordinates into GIS coordinates so that any other map within our field area will overlay it in QuantumGIS. This will give us the option to improve the quality of the maps as a part of the digitizing process if we want to. You should save your scan in JPEG or TIFF format. These two formats are very settled in the GIS world and are far more likely than any other format to be compatible with other geographical information systems. The map is a simplified version of a land use map that I downloaded from the Massachusetts GIS site. These days, many governments have such sites, and I simplified this map really just because I want you to get the hang of digitizing with only a few polygons, and really I don't want to overwhelm you too much. Now, I've drawn this interpretation onto a base map that I produced in and printed out of QuantumGIS. 5 different land uses are shown in the bottom right hand corner, and these relate to the red labels in the interpretation. The green lines are drawn using wax pencil, and the red ones and the red labels, are drawn with a felt tip pen. This is actually how many maps look before they get digitized. So in the next video, we're going to install the Georeferencer plugin, and after that, we'll relate the 4 corners of the clip region in the scan to the 4 corners of the clip region, the same clip region that's in QuantumGIS. Now, once the scan is georeferenced, we're going to be able to digitize our land use polygons off it. Okay, I will see you in the next video.